Hey guys, welcome back to the Dabbler's Den. This is Chris, and today I'm coming to you from the heart of the Golden Isles. I'm out here doing a little fishing, and I figured while I was out here, I might as well review one of these dry bag backpacks put out by a company called FE Active. So when we come back, I'm going to go ahead and show you what you get when you order one of these and show you how to use it. Be right back. Now, before we get started, if you hear a lot of wind noise, I apologize. Like I said, I'm out here in the middle of the marsh fishing for whiting, and I'm literally using one of my socks for an air dampener around the microphone. So I apologize if it's a little hard to hear. But anyways, when you order one of these off of Amazon, they're going to run you about $35, and this is exactly how they come. You know, like with most of my reviews, I try to make sure that you see what you're going to get when you order one of these, and this is exactly how it came. I took it out of the box and haven't even opened it yet, so this is what you get. All right, so this is what you get here. Again, this is a company called FE Active. They got some really cool color schemes. This black and gray with that teal color is really awesome. And right away I can see how durable this is. This is a 5mm, super durable PVC material. You know, very strong. It's all you know, high seam, high pressure seam, high frequency seams all the way around it. You know, very durable. These backpacks are padded and breathable. I mean, the back straps are very durable, very durable. All right, so now that I've got it out of its packaging, you can see here the entire backpack. Again, this is a 30-liter backpack, and there's plenty of room in here for anything that you would want to take with you. You need to keep dry. Just like with any dry bag, I mean, there's not going to be any, well, I say that, there's normally not any fancy compartments and things like that on the inside. This one actually does come with a zipper compartment on the inside for putting like a cell phone or something like that in there. I don't know if you can see it or not, but there is a zipper compartment on the inside. Most don't come with that, so that's a cool feature. But it is a big dry cavity, and it fit lots of things in here. The outside, you can see here, there's a webbed area for you to stash maybe like a tarp or something like that as you're hiking, or just to keep it safe. You got a couple mesh pockets on the sides for bottles. Those can come in very handy. You've got a handle on the top that can come in handy. These straps are really tough. Looks like they have this webbing here to reinforce them. They're padded and breathable. There's some padding on the back. So lots of cool features there. You got a chest strap there for safety and a little bit of durability for while you're, or to keep it from moving around while you're hiking or getting around. So everything here, yeah, looks really quality. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna go ahead and stuff this with a couple things that I want to keep dry. As you can see, it's pretty cool out today. I've got a towel that I always keep with me on the boat, and I'm going to take the sweatshirt off my back and put it in this dry bag, and we're gonna dunk it in the water to see if this thing holds true and keeps my gear dry. And I sure hope so, because it's cold and I'm ready to put this, I will be ready to put this sweatshirt back on. So let's go ahead and show you that, and then we'll wrap up this unboxing. To show you how one of these things work. Now, you're not going to find zippers or anything like that with a backpack. And just like with any dry bag, you're going to have this seam on the top, and all you really need to do is get some of the air out of the top of it and give it 2 or 3 good rolls. 1, 2, 3. Once you get to this point, you just want to fold it in and buckle it in itself, and at this point it is now waterproof. There's no water that's going to get into this thing. And again, to prove it, I'm going to dunk it in the water, and we'll see how it goes. So let's go ahead and do that right now. There you have it. Now I'm cold and wet. So let's go go ahead and open this up and see if this thing kept my gear as advertised. I am going to make sure that I'm really careful to wash this when I get back to the house, because this is salt water, and I just kind of want to make sure I keep this nice and clean. But as advertised, as you can see in there, everything is good and dry, and it's good to go. So make sure, you know, if you guys get on Amazon, you want one of these waterproof backpacks, you know, order with confidence. FE Active is going to do do you right. This is called the Cloud Break, and go check it out. We'll catch you next time, guys. Bye.